Ever wondered who's truly behind the cold, hard security of your crypto assets? When you hear Ellipal Wallet, do you picture a massive corporation, a shadowy figure, or maybe just a group of tech enthusiasts? In the often opaque world of cryptocurrency, understanding the ownership and origin of the tools we use to protect our digital wealth is absolutely crucial. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on Ellipal, a name synonymous with air-gapped security, to reveal exactly who owns this prominent hardware wallet. For many, Ellipal represents a top-tier choice for offline crypto storage, particularly with its well-regarded Titan series, known for its robust anti-tampering features and reliance on QR codes for entirely air-gapped transactions. This focus on maximum security is what draws countless users to the brand. But beyond the sleek design and impressive security protocols, who are the people, or the entity, at the helm? Ellipal is not a publicly traded company that you can buy shares in on a stock exchange. Instead, it operates as a private company. This means its ownership is not distributed among public shareholders but is held by a more limited group of individuals or private investors. This structure is quite common for technology startups, especially in the rapidly evolving crypto space, allowing for more agile decision-making and often keeping sensitive company information out of the public eye. So, while it's a private entity, who are the key figures who founded and lead Ellipal? Ellipal was founded in Hong Kong in 2017. The company's originators are David Tian and Tong Chen. These two individuals are credited with establishing Ellipal, with Tong Chen also holding the title of CEO. There was also mention of Hao Ning as a founder and CMO in some earlier reports, indicating a core founding team. Their vision was to create an ultra-secure and user-friendly hardware wallet, addressing what they perceived as shortcomings in existing options at the time. They aimed to make a wallet that was as secure as a bank deposit box, yet as easy to use as a hot wallet. Since its inception, Ellipal has seen funding, with a notable $1.46 million raised in a seed round in August 2018, with JRR among the investors. This capital helped propel the development and launch of their flagship product, the Ellipal Titan. While they have grown and established themselves as a recognized name in the hardware wallet industry, their core identity as a private company based in Hong Kong, founded by David Tian and Tong Chen, remains consistent. The ownership structure of a private company like Ellipal typically means that decision-making power rests firmly with the founders and potentially a small circle of early investors. This allows them to maintain a strong strategic direction and prioritize their unique approach to security, such as their emphasis on air-gapped technology. It also means they aren't subject to the same public reporting requirements as a public company, which can make it a little harder to find exhaustive financial or internal operational details. However, their commitment to security and transparency in their product's functionality is evident through their publicly available information on how their air-gapped system works and their continuous updates to the Ellipal app and device firmware. They are a company that has established itself by focusing on a very specific niche within the crypto security landscape, providing an almost impenetrable offline storage solution. And that's the story of who owns Ellipal. It's a privately held company spearheaded by its founders, David Tian and Tong Chen, dedicated to delivering robust, air-gapped security for your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.